Hello. Welcome back to the STEM activity of the day. So today we are going to make yet again some Play-Doh. I didn't too much care for how the first round of Play-Doh came out using Cream of Tartar, and Cream of Tartar personally is a little bit too expensive for my inexpensive STEM activities. So I wanted to try a different recipe, and this one calls for just flour, salt, and water. So try it out. A tip: mix your food coloring with your water, not after your mix is made. So you may not you may not use all of the water mixture because you want it dry enough, not too wet, because if it's too wet it's just going to stick to you. I ended up using some cornstarch at the end just to get it off my hand. It was way too sticky and I didn't want the flour. I needed cornstarch. So that's a great thing about science, you improvise, right? So you try it out, make your own Play-Doh, make 1 color, 2 colors, 4 colors, you choose. Let's do it.